Matplotlib autoscale. I need to get a plot that fits the data automatically using Matplotlib. This is the code I was given. This creates a plot, however the window is always the same, 0.8, no matter what the data is, even if all of the data is outside that window. The resulting window has no ability to zoom out, only in, so this is a major problem. I can't find anywhere where any kind of sizing is set, nor can to find details on what defaults are. I need the window to automatically fit the data, but I can't find any function that does it. For some reason, autoscale_onTrue doesn't do it. The data is highly variable, so setting hard limits is not an option. How can I get this to display properly?
Not sure if this what you wanted, but I can change it if this was not what you were looking for. Hope that helps.
Have a look at Eli Bendersky's website, specifically this post. The example at the bottom of the post can be downloaded. It allows you to set whether the x-axis will follow the plot or will remain static while the y-axis changes with the data.